Hello, happy flowers. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make horizontal shape western style flower arrangement. This arrangement is short, so when we display on the dining table, you can see the person who is sitting on the opposite side. Let us start making this arrangement. Take a floral foam and fix it in a container like this, and the foam has to be soaked very well. Then start arranging your leaves. Arrange the leaves in such a way that you can form the shape of the arrangement. This is how you have to position the leaves. And this is the shape of our arrangement. I have shaped palm leaves and using in my arrangement. You can use any leaves. Normally when we use 2-3 varieties of leaves and when we style the leaves, the arrangement looks very special. I will show you how I am styling my leaf. When you arrange your leaves, the foam has to be covered fully. At the same time, you have to maintain the shape of your arrangement. Once you finish arranging your leaves, start arranging your flowers, and you just follow the leaves when you arrange the flowers. Our arrangement is complete and ready to display now. These are some of the similar arrangements. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.